Ever since I was little, my family and I have always planted a garden. I always enjoy eating the produce that we receive from it. Although when I was younger, I never understood why my parents kept trying to plant a garden in clay and why they kept trying to plant a garden when the frost would just kill the plants. Now that I'm older, I realize that my parents enjoyed planting the garden and found that they could bless other people's lives with the produce that we received from it. With that story in mind, I would like to show you how to plant a seed. There are many different reasons why I want to show you how to plant a seed. Reason number one is because it's fun and relaxing. And then another reason is because it's good to know how to grow your own food, especially when you can't go to the store. These are just some of the reasons why I enjoy gardening. What I'm going to teach you today is the entire process of how to plant a seed. So some of these steps include finding a clean area, planting the seed, watering the seed, and then finding a good place to put the seed so it will grow. This is just a tomato plant that we planted a couple weeks ago. However, today I'm not going to actually show you how to plant a tomato. I'm actually going to do a cantaloupe seed. The first step is to make sure that your area is clean and that you have all the supplies needed. Some of these supplies are a cup with a hole in the bottom, a cup of water, your packet of seeds, a paper plate or something that can catch the water when you water your plant, and then soil. You also want to make sure that you have a nice, hard working space to work on, and that's okay to get dirty. I find it best to work on a countertop, or I'm working on cement in our basement today. Once you have a clean area and all the supplies, you are ready to move on to step number 2. The second step is to plant the seed. However, before we plant the seed, we want to make sure that we have soil in our cup. I already got soil in our cup. However, you want to just make sure that you have soil about to the top, and then I just take my hand and I push the soil down, just like this, just to make it so when you water the plant, the water will go through the soil slower and actually water the plant. It just makes it nice. Then you want to take your seed of choice and you want to just place it into the dirt, just like that, and then push it down lightly into the soil. And then I just take some soil from the sides and put it on top and then push it down firmly like that. This will make it so the seed is nice and cozy, and it makes it so it's more likely that your seed will grow. However, depending on your type of seed, you may need to push the seed down farther than others. But you want to just check the back of your seed packet to see how far you need to push it down. The third step is to water the seed. One way that I like to do this is to take the lip of my water cup and place it on this. And then I just let it trickle down the side so it doesn't make an air bubble underneath the soil and make it so your seed uproots and won't grow. It will kill your plant if you do it like that. I just let it fill up to the brim, about like that. And now it will go slowly through and water your plant. The last step is to find a good place to put your seed so it will grow. You want a spot that's both warm and sunny. I would recommend a nice warm windowsill, or this light that's over here to my right is actually our grow light. That's what we stick our plants underneath to let them grow. Today I showed you how to plant a seed and all the steps that are involved in that process. Some of these steps are making sure your area is clean, planting the seed, watering the seed, and then finding a good place to put the seed so it will grow. If you have any questions, please place them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. See you guys later!